Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm coming back with a delicious and your favorite chocolate ball, and it's going to be lovely. So let's start making this. Haujarage ahambada koina sigi chocolate se any types of chocolate that you like. Ameda laurani I say the Oreo biscuit se laujare. Oreo biscuit se grind fazana tawra matungda soda by cup khara hapani around half teaspoon aduga mix tawrani aduga aina sida laujarize AP maker ne adu AP maker sida ahambada ghee na khitang mai akoi bise tairaba matungda chocolate ngasai gi mixture gi ba chocolate to haibirani aduga in between akoina hairaba matungda khitang half haire aduga matungda mu chocolate chocolate piece lai gi do amu any type of chocolate that you want, any Kit Kat or Cadbury, anything that you like. Ameda hapayai adu maraktada in the middle the haporani mayai duda aduga amuk chocolate ball chocolate biscuit to hapa matungda mathaktuda amuk chocolate gravy do hairani aduga sumaina tawraga around 5 minutes around mukko low flame da kitang yamna di kanna laikhattabida kitang tapna laikhatlaga keno taraga thambidoine adu kupsalaga ngha kuppaga thambirani aduga hojikse somgi makharonggi side se di munle aduga sonakan gi mathak ki side se kitang wale duna turn by turn je yamna tapna slowly keno taraga on gadabane ba mathak makha se mapulap keno tawgadamne ba aina sigi video se yamna di laina semba yaba video ne and it's like matam su yam changdaba ado mayamna su khwaidagi pamna chagadabane ado sije try am tang tawbiyo ado sije ready ojare and you will love the taste mayamna yamna pamna gani sije amung tang di try tawraga yumda yengo and it's easy and you will love the taste and it's very delicious. So do like and subscribe my channel. I'm coming back with more videos. Bye bye, see you.